Sales. We've got to get good at sales if you are in business. If I had to ask you the top reasons to get good at sales, you could probably list 100 reasons. The top 2 or 3 that come to my mind, getting good at sales means you can hit your sales targets and grow top line revenue. A more important reason, if you get even better at sales, you'll close the right deals, which means profitable clients. That's actually going to grow bottom line profitability. That's what we're really after. Another key reason to get really good at sales means you can no longer, if you've got a good influx of new clients coming on board, you're no longer held to the mercy of some of your older legacy clients that are still paying historical rate cards and aren't allowing you to increase your prices to allow you to keep up with inflation and hit your profit goals, and a number more reasons. So how do you get better at sales? It's training, training, training. So I'm reaching out to you if you're a business owner, if you're a sales manager or a salesperson, that you're wanting to up either your personal sales skills or for those of your team. We've got an amazing new program that we are launching. We've been running it overseas at our branches, some of our branches around the world, and the clients are getting amazing results through this. We're calling it the 12 weeks Sales Masterclass. So instead of locking you away for 2 days, throwing more information at you that you can even digest, let alone implement, what we do over 12 weeks is we do it in bite-sized chunks. It's an online program, so you can tune in from anywhere in the world, and it's an hour and a half a week. Always new content that you're going to learn, a debrief on the new content, tools, templates that you're going to take away and implement, and then you've got a week to implement. So next week we get together again, accountability loop. Have you implemented the learnings, new tools, another week to implement. So learn, implement over the course of 12 weeks. Your confidence scales, your skills in sales, and you're going to see an upturn in sales results as we go. Amazing program. Our first cohort is, we've got a couple of seats available in the first cohort still, so that's why I'm doing this video, to let you know if we're looking to fill the remaining seats. We are launching in the second week of October. The 12-week program, as you know, we've got end of year coming up, so what we're going to be doing is running from the second week of October through to the first week of December. Then we'll be pausing for December, resuming again towards the end of January, finishing end of February for our graduation session for all the people and celebrating the new sales results that we're getting there. Price point 12,000 Rand per delegate. That's with VAT. You can take off the VAT, but you can imagine the return on investment on sales training is astonishing because you're going to hit those sales targets, and whether it's company profits or commissions you're chasing after, we're there to help you. So let's get you onto this 12-week Sales Masterclass. Reach out to my office to know more, but let's get you signed up fast. We've got some great incentives as well if you jump on board now. See you soon.